Hey, what's going on, guys? So we are going back down to Jdmhq today. He got two cars released. I'm going to show you one of them today, and the other one is my car. So super excited. Cannot wait for it to actually be ready. It's getting, so I'll do the inspection today, and then it's getting the compliance and the roadworthy on it, and then it's mine. So yeah, a few weeks. So I will head down there, bit of a drive, and well, I'll see you when I get there. Alright, so today, guys, we have Crown Majesta 2004 C-Type. This thing's sick. So I'm not going to show you engine bay because, again, this thing's just a 4.3 litre V8, so 3UZ, stock exhaust, but it comes on 20s. So it's got new fog lights, it's got all the upgraded headlights, mint interior, full body kit. What else we got? 144,000 Ks. Man, this thing's tidy, so tidy. Have a look. So here's your exterior, all black exterior, all black interior, heads up display works, everything works. I went over this with a fine tooth comb as well, and I cannot fault it. It's clean, it's straight, it needs a pro shine, but that's it. This thing's crazy. This thing is absolutely crazy. I love it. It's got these aftermarket tips put on, but that's it. Apart from that, stock exhaust. It's just a big car. This has the aftermarket air controller as well, but it's not hooked in at the moment, so when that's hooked in, it'll air out like crazy. So let's go inside, have a look at this. Look at this dash. These are prone to cracking like F13s. Sorry about the aircon. It's crazy. Hold on, I'll try and turn this off. There we go. This is stock. So, as in, like, no one's played with this. No one has come in and fixed it. That is just your dash. Your seats are perfect. Your back seats are perfect. Everything works. They've actually put an aftermarket head unit down here, which I kind of like. It's kind of extra little option, which is nice. But yeah, this thing's crazy. I think it's sold. Surely. Nah, I'm pretty sure this is sold because everyone wanted this. Once it's sold, everyone was asking for it. People were offering him more money, but Reg, yeah, he sold it, so he's not interested in other offers. I'll roll some cinematics for you. All right, guys, well, I hope that was fun for you. It was fun for me, seeing something a bit new. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe, please. And share it with your friends. Chuck it on your Facebook, chuck it on your Instagram, chuck it on your whatever you want. Just tell everyone about it and get this channel going somewhere. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.